Howdy everyone, welcome back, thank you for joining me. Okay, we're at home today because we're going to try something before we go exploring some more. We're going to set up this teepee tent. It's a 7-person tent. Yes, it's a little big for a family of 4, but we're good. Teepee! Isn't that cool? I'm hoping this works. Let's see what it looks like and let's get it all set up. You ready, C-Smash?
Yes!
Yes! Okay, so let's see what it's all about. Teepee!
Oh wow, there's a box.
There's a box inside here. Oh. Okay, this is something. We'll figure it out. Oh, ooh, these are kind of thick, actually. These are cool. Ah, it's only supposed to be 2 pulls. Ah, we don't need that. Okay, that was a fail. Oh. Alright, this, you totally did not see that. Alright, a little bit of technical difficulty, but that's okay because we're learning. Let's try it. We're learning.
Well, it's up.
Alright everyone, I have a confession. We got too hot yesterday, so we had to stop. And I just couldn't continue, it was hot. But this is where I left off yesterday, where we stopped. It's much cooler today. Well, it's 90 degrees, not 100. But we got this part up already again, and we're starting the video from here. So we can hopefully show you the finished product. Okay, so Smash, you ready? Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully we'll get it. I also found out I did miss a step yesterday while we were struggling. But that's okay. We're learning. This is our first time doing this kind of thing. So let's go! Oh! Alright. I think it's looking much better already. I'm going to fix the tension pole. Alright everyone, we did it. I want to show you the inside. Look. We're standing up tall. Let's see if you guys can see. Hopefully. You know what? Let me just bring you inside. Inside, look at this. Look how roomy it is in here. Hopefully, I don't know if this is, see? Pretty cool, look at all the windows. There's air vent up there. I'm not closing it, you're crazy. Bunch of little pockets. Nope, not there. There's one there. See? You can keep stuff. There's a little extra like iPad. It has like a plastic.
It's backwards.
There's more pockets here. This is the tent tour. There's a little pocket there. Woo! All right. Right there's a, so you can put a sock there. Cool, huh? Nice. Let's give you a 360 around the outside. Doot doot. Doot doot. Standing up all the way, I like it.
And reaching, but I still can't reach.
Yep. Because you're a shorty. Pretty cool, huh? I like it. I think it might be a keeper now that we finally figured it out. All right.